Now, in the aftermath of the hurricane, consumer confidence took a major dip. The latest Jamaica Chamber of Commerce Business and Confidence report was released on Tuesday. We have more in this report.
Consumer confidence fell sharply by 17.5% for the fourth quarter of 2025 as the country reeled from the impact caused by Hurricane Melissa. That's according to the latest data from the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, Capital Management, Business and Consumer Confidence report released on Tuesday.
When we look at current jobs, 15.3% in third quarter of 2025, that fell to 9.1%. Again, we make the point that people have never been really overly optimistic about new jobs coming on stream. Despite all the activity we see around, they've maintained a pretty kind of reserved opinion of job availability. So that moved from 15.3 index to 9.1. I want to look next at what they expect business conditions to be like. It was 49% in the third quarter of 2025 who felt that business conditions would be better. That number fell to 35.6% in the fourth quarter.
The data also showed a decline across other major consumer confidence indicators.
What about expected jobs? Note the change. 44.3% going towards the election, going towards all the promises about jobs. 44.9% said, we believe that jobs are going to come on stream. Fourth quarter of 2025, that fell to 29.3%. Very, very pessimistic outlook as far as jobs are concerned. So, what about expected change in household income? 66% in the third quarter of 2025 felt that their household income was going to increase, consistent with that kind of buoyancy in the environment for all kinds of reasons, not the least of which was the election promises. That fell to 51.4%. Still high, but significant fall off over the period.
The survey found that while 35% of households reported minimal impact from the hurricane, 18% faced increased living costs and loss of basic utilities, and 13% suffered damage to homes or property.
13% said damage to home or property, loss of income or ability to work, 7%, emotional stress or trauma, 7%, very important factor, not one right in front of your face, but a very important factor to bear in mind was the emotional stress that resulted. Disruption in children's schooling, difficulty in accessing food, water, and essential supplies.
Some relief, however, came from remittances, which rose from 28% of households receiving them in 2024 to 30% in 2025, helping households cope amid economic uncertainty. However, many families are already taking steps to recover, with 40% repairing homes and 32% rebuilding stronger. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.